Hi, Tigdawai, Jun Tariman here. I received today my preview from Samsung for purchasing the Samsung Note 20 Ultra during the promo period. So this is beside from the tablet that I received from Smart. So sulit yung retention plan ko with Smart. So ito na siya yung device na binigay ng Samsung sa akin. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Oh, sorry. Ito. Okay. It's the Daghang It's the Samsung Air Purifier. I think this is worth 16,000. So buksan natin and I will review this one in the coming days. Ipopost ko naman to in my tech blog, High Tech to Buy, on YouTube. Okay, so ito itsura niya. See that? You're looking at the back side. Sa likuran pa lang ito. The manual. And I'll let you see the front. At ito ang front side niya. Okay. Magandang maganda. Okay. So this is the control. It has a power button, the controller for the fan speed. Then you can set the sleep mode, and it can be locked. These are all soft touches buttons. Okay, and dito yung inlet ng air niya, diyan papasok. Dito lalabas ang hangin, di ba? Okay, filtered air na dito. Kasi yung hangin dito siya papasok sa harap. Sa harap siya, then behind these grills andun ang filters sa ilalim. Okay, so yun ang purma. Then there's a tag here. Let's read. Ano nakalagay? Oh, sabi, remove the plastic bag of the filter before use. So kailangan i-open ko to before gagamitin. Okay, dust sensor. Okay. So, hindi ko pa alam anong gamit yan ng dust sensor. Then, sa kabila, merong dust sensor, merong gas sensor. So, may gas sensor siya at saka may dust sensor. So, gas sensor and the dust sensor. So, ito yung view niya sa likod. Dito mo mabasa yung spec sa likod niya. Hindi ko masyadong mabasa. I need my telescope. Okay. So ito nakalagay, Samsung Air Purifier, model AX, ang haba ng model numbers. Effective area niya is 34 square meters. So okay lang. Malaki to, 34 square meters. Maliit lang yung apartment unit ko. Okay. Then input power is 30 watts. And of course, although from South Korea on Samsung, but this is made in China. Okay, so try natin to. So I have to open this one because the filter inside, the main filter inside has a plastic cover, so I have to remove that before operating this air purifier. So there's a trick to in opening this one. Yun, madali lang pala. Push ng itaas sa thumb dito, push mo din, grab the front panel forward.
Ito na yung front panel niya. It's grill siya, bale. Then, the filters. Itong makikita nyo, this is the pre-filter. Okay? This is the pre-filter. Hindi pa to ang main filter niya. Tanggalin natin to. Yung mga daming plastic. Tapes. Okay? Tanggalin natin ang mga tapes. I don't know kung kailangan itong tape. Anyway, siguro, ibalik ko to mamaya. Para hindi siya tutunog. Sulit ko yan ulit. So, this is the free filter. Huwag kang mag-ano dyan. So, tanggalin ko itong free filter. There's a button here. Then, move. So, itong free filter, para siyang air filter ng air conditioning unit. Pareho lang siya. Okay? Now, this is the main filter. Nakabalot pa siya. So, you have to remove this plastic para magamit mo na. Okay? Ito rin ang slot. Then, you remove. Malaki pa na ito. Okay. Malaki pero magaan. So, ito na. Nakabalot. Bubuksan ko. So, para siyang beehive, ha? This is 2-in-1 filter. Makikita mo, may mga maliliit na particles. Ang tawag nito is deodorization. So, itong maliliit na to is deodorizer to siya. Kasi 2-in-1 filter to. Deodorization filter, and the dust collecting filter. Ito ang dust collecting filter, yung nasa likod. Tingnan nyo, may pangalan. Dust collecting filter. Nasa likod niya. Okay? So, yun. Yan. You cannot wash this one. Para maklaro, ha. But this one, the pre-filter, you can wash this like the air filter of the air conditioning unit. Pwede mo labahan to with warm water and hindi yung detergent ang gagamitin mo, but pwede dishwashing. Medyo mild lang siya. Huwag detergent. Okay, so balik natin to siya. See, you can see the mechanism here, the main engine of the air purifier. So pagpasok ng hangin dito, if you filter siya nito, pre-filter, then the 2-in-1 filter, then hihigupin doon sa motor niya, then paglabas nito, clean na ang air. Okay? So ganoon siya. Okay. Balik natin. Tingnan natin kung wala ba tayong mamimiss. Parang simple lang, no? A simple machine. Okay. Yun na. Then, balik natin ang filter. Meron siyang slot, ano dito? Slot. May slot dito para dito. Okay. Then, you have to click. Siguro, I'll let this ibalik ko na lang to para maganda naman siguro para walang ingay.
So, due to space limitation, so dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Katabi ng bed ko, katabi ng rack. So, wala na talaga kung mapaglagyan. Lilipat na lang ako. So, this is the controls. The power control, you can turn in and turn off. Then, you have the fan speed. You can set the speed at low, medium, and high. And there's also the sleep mode switch, and at the same time this function as the filter reset button. So if you're going to change the filter, you have to reset the button because the lifespan of the filter will be monitored by the machine. And this is the child lock. So ilalak mo to para hindi ma-touch ng mga bata. Wala akong bata dito. Okay? So, dito na siya. So let's turn on. Ano itsura? Oh, may lumabas agad. So ano yan? So nag-ilaw siya. Yung ito naman, this is the comprehensive air quality indicator. Okay, so that's the comprehensive air quality indicator. Then the fan speed, touch natin. So auto, pwede pang auto. So mandar na. Low, medium, or this is the high. High, tatlong bars, dalawang bars, medium, and 1 bar, mahina lang. It's the low setting. So auto ako. Then sleep mode, you can adjust the sleep mode. Then since bago tong filter nito, you will have to reset the filter. Hold mo na for 3 seconds. Nag-indicate na siya for filter change. So yun na ba? Tapos na? Okay. So start. Oh, simula na siya. Naka-auto. I'll observe this one late, and I'll explain to you later ano ba talaga pa yung ibang i-discuss dito. So according to the manual here, the level of air cleanliness is indicated in 4 levels. The air quality indicators are blue pag malinis na malinis, green the next level, yellow medyo madumi na, red talagang polluted. So you can therefore conclude that my area is very polluted. Yes, totoo yan, because every time I clean my electric fan, makikita mo yung dust sa electric fan is not an ordinary dust, but it is from the smoke belching of the jeepneys or other sasakyan dyan sa EDSA. Ay, malapit na ako sa EDSA, tingnan nyo. Yun, EDSA na yun, yung nasa kabila. That's the MRT station. So then electric fan ko kagabi ko na nilinis, and it's very dirty. So ganon. Okay guys, watch out for my review if there's any findings in the next few weeks that I will be using this air purifier. I will post again an update here on my channel.